and welcome back to my channel. For today's video I'm gonna do a top knot plus a messy bun. So if you are interested in watching how to make a top knot or a messy bun, then keep on watching. You should keep on watching then, and make sure you subscribe to my channel. Make sure you like the video, hit that notification bell. You can comment on the video, share the video, everything you can do with the video. Just do it, and we will be jumping on a top knot right now. Let's do the top knot. So first things first, I'm not gonna comb my hair, but if you have really sleek hair, then you can comb your hair. But I don't feel like combing my hair, whatever it is, because I don't like my hair that way. Combed hair are not the best hair. When you have hair like this, these are not hair even, or hair. So I'm gonna first grip it up in a ponytail, high ponytail. That's your wish. If you want your top knot to be in hair, you can grip it from hair, wherever you want it to be. And then what you're gonna do, just gonna twist it in a bun. Yeah. And when you're twisting it, just make sure you are keeping your hand, like this portion of your palm, on the top knot and then twisting it up. Okay, now that this is all done, I'm gonna take a hair tie, and I am not going to give places or plates to my hair tie, because we are making a messy bun. It's not done here. Now you need to take out these hair, just loosen it up, make your face a little bit messier. It's like so clean, not my type. So clean, I don't like clean, so we'll make it a little bit more messy. You want more messy? Okay, we can have more messy. Okay, now that we are done with the messiness of hair and the face, then I'm going to take a pin like this. I don't know, this is the baby pin, bobby pin, or a hairpin, and I'm just going to secure. Oh, before that, just loosen these hair. Loosen it up. Yeah, loosen it up. Okay, now with the help of this pin, just secure your hair. I mostly need like 2 or 3 pins, but you can use more than that. One on the top, one on the this portion, and voila, we are done. So tell me in the comment section that you like this hair or not, this messy bun. Let me just show you from behind how it looks like. Okay, this is how it looks like. I don't know that how is it looking like, but this is how the messy bun looks like. If you feel like that you like the video, then give this video a like, comment on the video, and share, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I will meet you in my next video. Till then you can see the videos which are coming on the screen. And